3. Okay, we have a Fanuc Robodrill Drilling and Tapping Machining Center, model AT21IFL, serial number 084WH601. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Fanuc 31i A5 control. You have a 21 tool automatic tool changer. It takes a BT plus 30 tool. We're at 5,000. This machine goes up to 24,000 RPM. That's 9,000. You have a larger table on this machine, a 33.5 by 16.1 with 27.5 inches of X travel, 15.75 of Y, and 12.99 of Z. 13,500 RPM. Simulate another one. That's your Z, Y, and your X. Axes are quiet. Machine's original paint. You have a flush coolant two-sided table. And hey, thank you for watching our video.